Yes, sirree. Yeah. Home team, man. We out here.
Cisco took it. Cisco took it.
Yes, sir.
Second cash day. Cisco took that motherfucker. Bye back. Trini in the morning. Trini in the morning. Trini in the morning with the bottle now. Oosh. Look at that. Ain't playing no game. Look at that boy. Shit. Big boy shit. Hey, man. Honda Power. Hey. Okay. Oh.
Yo, this is a good event. I'm looking forward to the next one. Good sportsmanship from everybody. This is fun, dog. Let's do it again.
I heard you guys are going out to Sanogo and rerunning it. Nah.
Kids.
Yeah, fuck all that. It's too early for this shit, dog. We're gonna go home. Ya tú sabes. There it is. Buybacks and all, buyback money and all. There it goes.
Whole team performance, baby.
That's it.
Out here. You about to head
I'm gonna give you stripper money, okay? 1, 2, 3.
I brought the singles.
Damn, you stupid piece of shit. You finally made me some money? Oh my god.
For all the times.
3, 4, 5.
Huh?
Emergency where I work.
Right, dog. It cracked.
6.
Ain't gonna lie. Something happened just now. Really? Yeah. Before the run, I heard it. I was looking at it.
$700 pot. $700 pot, guys.
Yeah.
$700. Cisco took it.
Yes, sir.
Second cash days front wheel drive. Cisco took that motherfucker. Buybacks and all.
Proud in the house, baby. Home team.
Hey, Black could have been the next one. Black took off. You never know.